simple question. How did it happen?
A little accident.
It doesn't look little. It looks nasty. So how did it happen?
I got one of those outside heaters for the pipe. I saw my back and the thing blew up. It serves me right for buying a cheap second-hand one.
Have you had a doctor look at it?
Oh, yeah. We're neat and everything. I forgot. At the moment, I don't know my ups from my downs. And you know exactly what that's like. Losing the love of your life. That piece of you, just gone. But you and me, we're both old codgers, right? We bounce back. So why don't you go downstairs and I'll dig out that record player and we will have the best night ever, yeah? Give Frank a proper sending off.
Were you at the school during the explosion? Did you have something to do with it?
Right, we need to get you to hospital.
I need to print off missing posters for Barbarella.
What? No, Alfie, we need to get this lump checked out. Look, I'm sure Barbarella's going to turn up safe and sound. In fact, I promise.
How can you promise that? That is literally nonsensical.
I'm your mother. I need to look after you.
Well, as you're not my real mother, you're off the hook.
Alfie, how can you say that? I am your mother. Okay, I might not have always felt like that, but you are a part of me as though I'd given birth to you.
I can't do it. I don't want to know if it's...
Now, what would Jade want you to do, hey?
I'm telling the truth, Jade. I had nothing to do with that explosion.
That explains the burn. And why you haven't had it treated. And when I think about it, when we were searching for my ring at the school, you told me that Hunter was responsible for it. You were trying to throw me off the scent. Because it was you. You're the reason why I was stuck there. Why Frankie died afraid and alone.
You want answers, Jade? I get that. I want them to need it, but you ain't gonna get me, yeah? Because I didn't. Where you going?
The police. They'll look at your burn, check your alibi. Oh, and the truth will come out.
You really think I'm gonna let you do that?
Hiya. Hi. I see they're having a memorial for Nita next week. I take it you won't be going.
I would rather give birth to a chair.
I wondered if I should go and say something about her.
Oh, yeah, you should say, adios, paedophile.
Don't. That's not what she was.
When are you going to get it through your head that what she did was illegal?
She was still my friend.
I do not want to hear Nita's name or anything about her memorial in this house again.
There's a memorial for Nita. Who's organising it?
Mac. Hunter? Where are you going?
Hola! Hey, what are you doing down there?
I was fixing a leg. Ellie, look, you've had a long flight, right? Why don't you go downstairs, have a couple of drinks and, relax?
At the wake. Anyway, Mexico was amazing. Thank you very much for asking. Although, if anyone mentions tequila again, I think I will die. Hey, you're shaking. Hey, Alfie. The hospital. Alfie's found a lump. Okay, right, we're on our way. Look, there's nothing to worry about, okay? Look, we just want to come and annoy you. We'll see you soon.
Right, you go ahead and I'll follow up. I've got something to sort out.
What?
I've got this waste disposal issue.
Dad, Alfie's cancer might be back. Look, just grab your keys. Like, he needs both of us. Whatever this issue is, it can wait.
You think throwing a memorial will trick everyone? Make them believe you were this great boyfriend? Oi! Don't think I won't be going. Nita deserves someone there who actually loved her.
show your face, it'll meet my fist.
Dad, threatening a teenage boy isn't really our priority right now.
Stay away.
Seen Dad? Oi! What are you gonna do? Rob the Nightingale's flat?
I just want the record player. I thought we should still do it for Frankie. Matt won't mind, will he?
No.
Hey, how was Mexico?
Let's just concentrate on you, okay? What are you doing here?
I want her here.
You seen the docs yet?
Yeah, we just had the scan. I'm waiting back for the results.
How long's that gonna take?
They didn't say.
Hey, we can't hang around here all day, okay? My son could have cancer.
Dad!
So I don't care what you do, I want those results right now, all right?
What's got into you?
Hello? Anyone home?
Finally. Right, have you got the results?
Your lump is a benign cyst. It's harmless.
Gotta get back.
Actually, I was thinking, you hear about this happening with dogs. Maybe Barbara's just found her way home on her own. So, I think I should probably come home with you.
No.
Dad, it's worth a shot.
Oh, come on, Alfie, get real. She's not gonna be at home, is she? She's probably been eaten by some bird or flattened by a car.
Back!
I'm sorry, son. I'm just a bit stressed. Not handling things very well. Look, I'll tell you what. Why don't you all go out for a meal? For a pizza, yeah? On me. Come on. You deserve it, yeah?
Daddy, you're not going to be joining us. Is this about that waste disposal thing? I mean, do you want us to come help?
No. I've got it sorted. Everything's fine.
Myra would prefer her door to stay on its hinges.
But Matt told me to stay away from the memorial. Ibiza.
Just going over a few memories. I miss that smile.
Can I see the others? Please. What is that?
It's one of her own designs. She always did have a unique sense of decoration.
Yeah. Her ideas were kinda...
Bad.
yeah.
She'd have made a brilliant teacher, though. All that passion and the way she cared. Nita was one of the few people who not only accepted me for who I am, but she loved me for it. The way I felt about her, I don't know if I'll ever feel that way again.
Did you love her? Like, really love her? I never realised.
I shouldn't have told you that.
It's okay. I'm really sorry.
So am I.
Actually, it helps that you get it. So now you get why I have to be there at her memorial.
Maybe there's another way.
What are you doing here?
Oh, Barbara, Tyler, you better still be in there. Okay. I never thought I'd be so pleased to see your repulsive little face again.
Speaking of repulsive, what have you done?
Oh, maybe.
Thanks for this. And I'm sorry again for coming into your flat, Mr. Nightingale.
Just glad you didn't find anything you shouldn't have.
Sweetheart, you said that once we found out that would be it between us. I just wanted us to have some time together. Oh, for goodness sake, it's not like I flushed it down the loo.
Oh, congratulations. You're the Mother Teresa of lizards.
Can you lot take this elsewhere?
You're a selfish, horrendous excuse for a human being, and we are done.
Oh, Alfie.
Get out.
Oh, you're just loving this, aren't you? But you know what? They'd leave you too if they ever found out that you beat James, that you slept with Nathan's fiancée, and that's the real reason he's dead. So I wouldn't be too smug if I were you, Mackenzie Nightingale, because your time will come.
You do not want to test me right now.
I was a bit harsh before. I wasn't thinking about your feelings. I won't stand in the way of you remembering her.
All set. And I found some incense too.
And what's this for?
Oh, we're gonna go camp out by the folly, where me and Nita did once, and have our own little goodbye.
You're letting this happen.
It was my idea.
It's one thing to grieve on your own. It's another to bring a victim into it.
We loved each other.
That's what Cleo said about Pete. I promised Goldie I would look after him. And here you are, helping him put his abuser on a pedestal. This is not happening. And no one in this family is going to that memorial next week. I have to. And you can pack your bags.
Sorry, Jim. I'm so sorry.
What a day, huh?
Yeah, maybe you're right.